Guys, hindi ako sure kung nakikita nyo ako. What? Pero nandito ako sa falls. Nakikita nyo ba? God!
Hola, I'm Irene and with my husband Kenneth. It's our third day here in Siargao and we're off to our Siargao land tour. Sabi nga ng mga locals, Siargao isn't just about surfing. Kaya if you want to see more of the island and what it has to offer, a Siargao land tour is a must. At the time of recording, 1,800 pesos ang price per head for the land tour. If you're planning to visit Siargao during January or February, take note that Magpupungkol Rock Pools and Sugba Lagoon are temporarily closed for rehabilitation. But don't worry, kasi meron din namang mga destinations na ipapalit to complete the said tour. After 30 minutes ride from General Luna, we arrive at our first destination, the Secret Beach. Na hindi naman na talaga masyadong secret dahil marami na rin ang nakapunta. But on a serious note, the Secret Beach is a hidden paradise known for its secluded, peaceful vibes and crystal clear waters. Ano nga ba ang meron sa Secret Beach? It is less crowded and more exclusive. Nagustuhan namin agad itong first stop kasi konti lang ang tao. Kaya perfect din ito kung gusto mo ng chill beach day kasi pwedeng-pwede ka namang mag-swim sa beach. Another thing about this place was the tropical resort vibe. Parang yung mga nasa postcards na sobrang ganda. Second stop, the Maasin Coconut View Deck. About 10 to 15 minutes away lang ito from the Secret Beach. Ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-iconic Siargao spot. It offers a breathtaking panoramic view of thousands of coconut trees stretching as far as the eyes can see. The view deck is well known to its endless coconut tree views. As in, walang katapusang green, guys. Ito na ang super Instagrammable spot and dito rin ata unang sumikat or nagtrending ang human drone shot. Marami ng mga locals na nag-offer to take photos and drone shot and I assure you na alam nila ang best angles kaya huwag kayong mahihiyang magpa-picture. A quick snack break before heading to our next destination dahil sa sobrang init, napabili na ng gelato from Sweet Halika. We tried their mango graham and you can never go wrong with every bite. Next stop ay isa sa mga most iconic and must-visit spots sa Siargao. This is the Maasin River. To be honest, pagdating namin and pagkita sa river ay parang nothing special naman. Yun pala, we need to ride a bangka para makarating sa famous spot. For the bangka ride, 3 packs ang kailangan if you're in a joiner's tour. Struggle lang nung una kasi kailangan talaga ng teamwork sa pagbalance. Kasi kung merong isang malikot at hindi makapag-balance, baka mahulog and mag-swim na lang kami bigla. Hindi naman nagtagal and balance na ang aming bangka and it became a relaxing ride habang ini-enjoy ang jungle river views. Super chill at ang ganda ng reflection sa tubig. Meron ding nag-offer ng drone shot gamit ang drone camera talaga. Syempre, nag-avail na rin kami to complete the experience. As we reach the end of the river, binigyan kami ng number para sa turn namin sa small lagoon. While waiting, merong mga available food and beverages sa area. Ito ang small lagoon na sinasabi nila na pwedeng mag-swim, itry yung coconut tree swing, or tulad namin, nagpa-picture for that perfect IG spot. O diba, IG worthy pa rin ang exit sa lagoon. Included na rin ang lunch pag nag-avail ng land tour package. We were instructed na 200 pesos ang budget per head for lunch. Any amount excess on our own expense na daw. Akala namin mabibiting kami sa budget na binigay. But to our surprise, kinailangan pa naming dagdagan ng order para masulit kaya sobrang busog. And in fairness, masarap din ang food and sobrang daming choices. Right after lunch, 10 to 15 minutes away lang ang Taktak Falls. Ito daw ang nag-iisang waterfall sa isla, the one and only. Wala naman sa plan naming maligo sa falls kaya nagpicture-picture na lang kami. Pero ayan na nga, marupok pala kami. Para bang biglang the water was calling our names. At ayun, napalusob na kami dahil na rin siguro sa sobrang init ng panahon. Ang lamig ng tubig pero ang sarap sa feeling. Sobrang relaxing vibes, parang instant ice bath. Kung wala lang kaming ibang kasama siguro, for sure, mas tatagal pa kami dito kasi ang hirap umalis sa ganitong preskong spot. Our fourth destination ay isa sa less touristy beaches sa Siargao. Ito ang Alegria Beach. This beach is perfect para sa mga gusto ng tahimik, malinis, at sobrang relaxing na beach experience. Ang ganda rin ng tubig, wala masyadong alon, and fine din ang white sand. Isa sa mga napansin namin was the super long and wide shoreline na perfect for beach walks or magkaroon ng space for tambayan while listening to beach waves. As what I mentioned previously, closed for rehabilitation ang Sugba Lagoon at Magpupungko Rock Pools, and this beach destination at the north side of Siargao was one of the alternative. Nag-quick stop rin kami sa sinasabi nilang Little Hawaii. Isa ito sa mga scenic spot na puno ng endless coconut trees and breathtaking nature views. Picture-taking muna thanks to our matyagang tour guide. On to our last stop, but first the trademark curved road view of Pacifico Beach. Ito yung famous na daan kung saan kita yung malalakas na alon ng Pacifico Beach. Welcome to Pacifico Beach, also known as the surfing paradise. Dahil short na lang yung time sa tour, we just took some photos and ang talagang plan namin is to explore the north side of Siargao on a separate day na magmomotor na lang kami. After our whole day land tour, we decided to check out the famous Afam Bridge. Isa kasi ito sa mga most talked about bridges dito sa isla. Dahil ang daming tao dito sa Afam Bridge, we can say that it is a street food haven. At dahil foodie kami mag-asawa, food trip time for us. First time naming matry ang grilled banana na coated with margarine and sugar. Parang banana cue din ang vibes pero medyo healthier version kasi hindi siya fried. Overloaded siomai. Legit ang laki ng serving at super juicy. Perfect paired with their homemade chili. Meron ding available na mga mango sticky rice and a lot more. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang ihaw-ihaw. Ang saucy ng kanilang pag-serve best paired with vinegar as always. Afam Bridge is not just about the view but also food trip spot din ito. If mahilig kayo sa affordable and delicious street food, you'll love it here. Ang chill, ang ganda, and ang sayang mag-moment dito. And that concludes our 4th day in Siargao. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on our next videos.